In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI to create realistic AI videos for free. We'll go through each step in detail, so even if you're just getting started with video creation, you'll be able to follow along easily. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type Grok into the search bar. As soon as you press enter, the search results will populate. Look for Grok's official website in the list and give it a click. Visiting the official site ensures that you're accessing the most reliable and comprehensive features of Grok AI, which is essential when creating high-quality videos. When you arrive on Grok's homepage, you'll notice various options. Your next move is to find and click on the Imagine feature. This tool is crucial because it's where you will begin formulating your creative ideas into visual concepts. Now comes the exciting part, making a prompt. Think of this as the blueprint for your AI video. Your prompt can be as detailed or as broad as you want, but remember, the more you give it, the more it has to work with. As you type in your ideas, try to envision the outcome. This is your chance to get creative with what you want to see brought to life. Once your prompt is good to go, scan over it to make sure it accurately represents your vision. After all, this initial input directly impacts the final product. When you're satisfied with what you've written, click the Submit button. This action sends your request to Grok AI to start processing. Next, you have a bit of a wait, but not to worry. It's a good time to consider any additional ideas you might want to explore. Before long, the results will appear on your screen. This will include various interpretations of your prompt generated by the AI. Take some time to browse through these results. Each one might offer a different perspective or element you hadn't initially considered. When you've perused your options and found an appealing result, it's time to move to the final step. Making the video. Simply click on the Make Video button associated with your chosen result. This will compile everything into a cohesive video, bringing your vision to life. And there you have it. You've just used Grok AI to create a realistic AI video for free. Take a moment to enjoy your newly minted video, and don't hesitate to share it or edit it further if needed. Remember, with Grok AI, the possibilities are as expansive as your imagination. Whether it's for fun, work, or creative expression, this tool can be a powerful ally in your video creation endeavors.